Every valuable project, every major work, every space we live in, both indoors and outdoors, deserves protection. Water, the source of life, can become the greatest enemy of structures if not managed with professional solutions. This is why waterproofing is essential, a fundamental element to ensure strength, durability, and consequently, the sustainability of a building. A protected building is a long-term investment, a legacy for future generations. At Mapei, waterproofing is more than a process. It's our mission, a commitment we've carried forward since the beginning, driven by continuous research and development that has led to cutting-edge solutions. Year after year, we have innovated, creating a complete, safe, and reliable range of products. Our line is a universe of technologies and complete solutions designed to meet every need, from the deepest foundations to the most complex and various roofing systems. Bentonite sheets and fully bonded membranes for underground structures. Cementitious and ready-to-use products for everyday environments. Extending to polyurethane and polyurea membranes for roofing and large-scale projects. Every step, from substrate preparation to making the surfaces ready for use, is made possible thanks to the versatility of Mapei's product lines. Mapei is not just about products, it is about knowledge, experience, and support. Through our installation and dedicated courses, we provide the necessary training for the professionals of the future. And with our team of specialists, we offer constant technical support, from design to project completion. Protect, endure, innovate. These are the pillars of Mapei waterproofing. Mapei, building a present designed to have a future.